All right, I just made it home and I got to look at the neighbor. I give the neighbor all the metal and appliances and stuff repair and replace for people. I don't repair much. I repair a few refrigerators every now and then, but it's better to replace them if they're old. So check it out. This is in 2 weeks' time. This is all the appliances. There's one water tank, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is in 2 weeks. There's 1, 2, 3 dishwashers. I put in a new dryer. I put in a new refrigerator. I put in 2 new stoves. Oh, another dishwasher. So it's 4 dishwashers. All that I put in, and my neighbor's going to have to haul this stuff off, or I'm just going to have to post it on Facebook and have somebody come get it all. I mean, that's money right there. That's all scrap metal. So, the wife definitely don't like it messing up the yard, but I got Bub's little 4-wheeler out. I'm going to leave. They're not home yet, but as soon as they get home, I'm going to leave out his 4-wheeler a little bit today. But I had a pretty good day today. Got a lot done. But anyway, pray for our country. Pray for President Trump. God bless everybody. And people need to be more friendly to each other, for real. But, all right. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a lot of stuff. Anyone in Oconee County wants this, come get it. Contact me.